Hello friends, it's Miss Nora with the CH Booth Library, and I am here today to introduce our new Read Together, Watch Together, Make Together bags that are available in the children's department for you to check out and take home and enjoy. Miss Lana has put together books and movies and activities in each bag, and I chose to bring home Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. And in there is also Ian Fleming's copy of the book and some nonfiction books to go along with the topic. So a project book and a book about flying cars. And then there is a folder with related activities also for the family to enjoy, and a little bit of pirate's booty while you watch the movie. So we hope to see you soon in the CH Booth Children's Department, choosing your Read Together, Watch Together, Make Together bag.